Hey, welcome to the show. I am super excited today because I just got my new 48-inch adjustable workbench from WORKPRO. I've been really happy with the products from WORKPRO, so that's why I ordered this workbench. And I do a lot of work on YouTube with product reviews and my other educational shows, so I needed a table to display the products. And I'll tell you, I am so pleased I bought this. When it did come, it was in a heavy package. I actually had to take things out of the package and bring them downstairs to my studio piece by piece. But the process of putting this together was so easy, cheesy, lemon squeezy, let me tell you. So when you get this, you're gonna lay out the tabletop on the ground, and you'll see that they have some guides right here. So you line up this frame, and then the instructions are so easy to follow. I did take a drill and put in these screws right here, but otherwise this is what it looks like from underneath. So like I said, this is adjustable, so all you have to do is loosen these bolts right here, and you can lower this or you can raise this to make it the height that you like. Here are the wheels right here. They're so smooth and rolling, and then you also have, you can push this down. It's like a stopper for the wheels. If you don't want the wheels on, they will come with adjustable legs right here. So if you do have an uneven floor, you can adjust it to whatever height you need. But I really like the wheels and how easy it is just to move this around. The frame, just built like a rock, I'll tell you. I love it. And then here is an outlet on the side right here. You have two USB, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4 AC. And then you got your on and off button. And then the cord is 5 feet long. On the tabletop itself, it's so smooth. There are no rough edges at all. All the corners are so smooth all along here. This right here, it's rock solid. They say that you can actually put 1,500 pounds on this tabletop right here. The workbench is 48 inches long and then 22 inches wide. So like I said, it's so easy to take this table and move it around. So if I'm doing a show that I need to display the products, I got the table right here, I move it into place. And when I don't need it, I can just easily just put it right off to the side and then film my regular show. And it's another nice feature I like about this is that the wood for my use is I'm using the green screen right here. So I don't want something that's going to reflect the green on the table, and it's not reflecting the green. So that really works out. It's great for, when I need to key in my green screen, and just beautiful. I just love the smoothness, the ability that I can raise this up and down. It looks great on the show. So there's so many different uses you can use this workbench for. You can use it as a teacher table. You can raise that up, put your computer monitor on there. You can use it in your apartment, maybe as a dining room table. Use it as a computer table. Put it out in the garage as a workbench, and it's solid as a rock. Holy mackerel, I'm loving it. And you can use it on your YouTube channel because it'll look beautiful. It's smooth. It displays your products. Just looks great. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. Make sure you hit that likey button down below. Take a look at WORKPRO. I think you're going to be happy with their company, their products, even the customer support. I'm sure happy with it. And like always, have a fun day out there. Adios. Goodbye.